Hello everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Gharana. Today let's make a popular burger with a Desi twist, presenting the McDonald's Egg McMuffin with a personal Desi touch. A favorite in our household with the kids, it is our go-to recipe on the weekends. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Let's start by very lightly toasting the burger buns. We are using the hamburger buns. Once toasted, we will add sauces. We are using two sauces today, the chipotle aioli and our very favorite Swad's chili garlic sauce. Spread the sauce evenly over the burger and then add greens of your choice. Here we are using the baby arugula. You can also use baby spinach or any other greens of your choice. Now let's move on to making the eggs. For this, spray oil in a pan. Once warm, we will place the silicone rings onto the pan. Then crack 2 eggs and add 1 egg into each of these rings. Gently break the yolk, then add salt and pepper. After cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium-low heat, the egg should be set. At this point, remove the silicone rings and continue cooking. Flip the eggs after a couple of minutes and continue to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then flip the eggs back and add cheese of your choice. We use the pepper jack cheese. Cover and cook on low heat until the cheese melts. Transfer the eggs onto the prepared burger buns and top it with tandoori piyaz. You can find the recipe to this piyaz on our channel, and there it is. Your Desi McD burger, as our kids call it, the anda burger, is ready. Enjoy it with a side of chips. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do give it a try and keep following us for many such recipes. Thanks for watching.